everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to put up mural wallpaper. I have my wallpaper here, so it's a bookshelf design, and the difference between a mural and a normal wallpaper is because a mural can create one whole image using different pieces of this paper, whereas a wallpaper is repeating the same design over and over again. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, this one's from House of Fraser, and it's actually a graham and brown design. The kind of things that you're going to need for this are, so this is a wallpaper smoother to make sure that all the air bubbles come out as you're putting it on. I also recommend a roller, so that you can make sure that the edges look really seamless and continue on without any edges coming out. Then I'd use this brush to make sure to put into the glue and then put that onto the wall. Then there's the glue itself. So I bought the one that you mix in water, which I'm going to show you how I'm going to do later, but you can buy already made glue for wallpaper. I also recommend a blade, and make sure that it's sharp so that when you're cutting the edges and the wallpaper it looks really neat. I also recommend this for the edges and the corners so that it looks really nice and professionally done. Then I'd say you'd need scissors to make sure that you cut the pieces as you want them, and then this measuring tape as well. And last but not least, if you're as short as me, I definitely recommend a step stool or a ladder of some sort. As you can see, my wall is actually a real pain to put any wallpaper or mural on. I have this thing sticking out, and I've got these gaps in the wall that I'm going to have to work around, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. We've cut across here. Now I'm going to cut out this bit by measuring it out. Now I'd rather cut not enough than too much, because then I can go back later and then trim it a bit more. I've used 40 grams of paste to a litre of water, and this is what I got. So it's really hard to eliminate all of the clumps, but I did my best by stirring it loads and loads. As you can see, it's not too runny, it's like a goo. So I'm going to give my first sheet a go, and wish me luck. Make sure to get rid of the excess using the edges. I've actually known people to put across a wire from one side of the bucket to the other, and then use that wire to get rid of the excess glue, because you don't need much at all. If you remember, there's actually a gap in the wall here. So what I'm going to do is actually cut it so that we can have the gap in the wall back. I waited for it to dry and I'm simply going to use scissors to do this.